Hi everyone, it's Paul down here at Ccrv, as you know. So this is for hire an RV. We have a separate website, everything else. So if you're in the market for temporary accommodation, on-site accommodation, any that you need temporary accommodation for, self-builds, renovations, occasional living, whatever, all right, these are perfect on-site, plug and play, as good as a hotel room, quality accommodation. And this is from Hire an RV. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and find Ashley, and then we're probably going to head off on the delivery. It's only Ely or so we'll plod along and I'll sort of keep you informed as we get there. Ashley, our professional driver, is driving today, and he deals with Hire an RV, so any inquiries, they'll be directed at Ashley and Kimberly. So we're off on our way now.
The red roofs there on the left.
Oh, I was going to say they've all got red roofs. By the orange truck, I just passed it. Yeah, there you go. You can see these roads. We're right out in the fens here. This is, what is this, Cambridgeshire? Or
yeah, we Cambridgeshire, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Look at that. That's needed a bit of renovation. There we go. Oh, they're all out. That's it. All the folks, they're expecting us, so they're all out. So they're all waving. There they are. They're all excited. So there we go. Right. So let me get out the truck here, actually. Do you need me to back you?
No, that should be fine. All we need to look at is when it goes in, because it's quite a drop. Just make sure it's not going to hit the back legs.
Right. I'll keep an eye on that then. I'll keep an eye on that. Right. Let's get the truck. Here we go. Right. This one doesn't look as if it's too bad, because we've got plenty of space. So Ashley's really competent driver, so we can get these in most places. I haven't got my hat on, so I'm probably going to get burnt here. Right, let's video this going in. Let's see, we've got it on quite a big truck here. We do have smaller trucks, which make them a bit more manoeuvrable. All right, folks. Where's he going? Down here? Where's he going? Down here?
Yes, coming in.
That's a bit steep, isn't it? Yeah, all right then. I think Ashley knows where it's going.
Somewhere there.
So we're going to have to watch them self-leveling legs there. So let me get around here. Where's he going? Yeah, hold on. Hold on, Ashley, whoa! Jump out and have a look. Oh, we nearly got it.
That way a little bit, Ashley.
Yeah, that would be too clever going down there. Yeah, we might have been in a few problems there coming down.
Yeah, you're going to come off.
Yeah.
If we aren't too bothered about being too close to the hedge, mate.
We might have took the old post out then. Right, he's got to just watch them legs. Just avoid a little disaster there. Right, he's coming back slowly. We're just watching the legs. Yeah, that's better. Little the visibility. See that wheel's off the ground there? You see that? They're quite clever, these things. See that wheel was off the ground? Alright, there you go. That's coming down. You're alright, that was coming back. Make some little adjustments there.
Oh, I say, don't bend that.
No, touch as it goes on. What I might have to do, Paul,
yeah,
put a bit of wood under it, so it's just catching the back of the truck.
Is it?
As it comes in.
What's it touching? The plastic?
Yeah, just as it goes on.
Let's have a look. This is a bit steep, this drop. Let's have a look. Oh, put the blooming tailgate back on it. Yeah, it'll be alright. That'll be alright. That's alright, Ashley. A little bit of a scrapey here. Hold on, let's have a look. It's a bit steep, didn't realise it was so steep.
Do they go up any higher, actually?
What saying is like the wood, it's not. It's not like the wood.
Think on a bit of wood, Ashley, don't we?
Yeah, so I'm going to pick it up a little bit. I brought forward on there.
Yeah, you put forward a little bit, mate. We'll stuck in there.
I really could do with another buzz over, but we'll see.
You're back.
Bit of wood under there.
Hopefully that'll come up on that wood and then clear the...
Just put a load, just add your other ones. Just yeah, I was going to say, I'll go further along, just go further back, that's it. And as that gets to there, that'll lift it.
Hopefully once it comes up, that jack will lift up, won't it?
Yeah, we get some spanners out and take it off otherwise.
Whoa!
Whoop! Yeah.
Go, Ashley.
Yeah, keep coming, keep coming. You're alright.
Whoa!
No, you're alright, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Yeah, you're just
You're in.
How about that? We got it in. I think we might take them legs off when we pick it up. I think we might take the legs off when we pick it up. I think we take the legs off when we pick it up.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. So just tap it, it'll come back on. That's fine. Well.
Just watch it at the back there.
What do you want?
in the back, it'll tell you when to stop.
Where do you want it?
They probably come over this way a bit, will it? They come over this way a bit?
Overlook it after it'll be... What gap between that and the head when sides come out?
Now you can see the problem with the drive. I mean, that would be funny. You probably wouldn't even think that'd go down there, would you? No, you wouldn't. You really wouldn't. That has gone down there really well. You see, there's not many places we can't get them in. With a bit of wood and a bit of luck, we'll get them in. Right, let's get it positioned and then we get the slides out. Ashley's doing the levelling. The back leg's still working, Ashley.
Yeah, it's still slip out over. Does that, look on that, or does that just come off the truck?
Yeah, so is that. Yeah, that's off. Yeah, that should come out. I'll see if I can pull it out. I'll show you quickly how easy it comes off of here if I can get it out. No, that ain't coming out yet. No, that ain't coming out yet. You probably want to come back a little bit. So what we do, if you can't get it out, what we do is just come back a touch. That's it, take the pressure off of it, and that'll come off. Right, that's off.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Now that's how you get it off, and then we'll just drive away. Right, there we go, folks, another successful delivery. This is from Hire and RV. This will be on probably our new YouTube channel, which will be Hire and RV, which will put all the videos basically of delivery, so you can have a look through and get some idea of what we can offer you. There you go, I think it's all gone in. The customers are really happy. There's a little bungalow, they're going to knock it down and they can live in that maybe a year or two. It's a lovely spot, but I think it looks quite good. I hope you'd agree, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.